Natin naman how many errors. Oh.
Nasaan siya?
Okay na po. Napakanin na po. Okay.
Try this, ha?
Mamaya na.
Mickey Mouse.
I will help
This is
you.
Mickey Mouse.
For now.
No, I didn't.
Yes. Very good.
Yeah. That when I come here, I should like this red.
Sininat nga yung kapatid niya kagabi.
Then,
Sa sipon din.
No?
Because you're doing something
No,
difficult.
because sometimes, because if I dry up,
face there.
I just dry up from sweaty
Then,
things.
right
Maybe
leg
you need
step
something
And
forward.
then I read, it feels so sleepy.
Then right hand
Look here now, we're going
Right
to the
hand.
first part. Come on. It's only 10
Right.
words. We finished at 26 words.
Yes.
Oh.
Very good.
Diba? You finished
Was
20
it
words.
26?
No, 20 words. You
Then
finished
right
20
leg is
words. So,
backward.
now you're just going to alphabetize 10
Okay.
words. Oh.
Like this.
Oh, what's number 1? Look for the first letter. Going to
Then
highlight
right leg
it
is step
na.
What am
forward.
I gonna do here?
Just look.
Yes.
What's the instruction?
This
What does
is
instruction say?
facing.
Where are you going to put the number? Is it on the blanks on
Okay.
the left or on
Right
the
leg
right?
step backward. Lock. Yes. Right leg step forward.
Read the instructions. It's just what do you want
And
to
back
do.
to the center.
Only one, but
Come on. Where are you going to put the numbers?
only
Before or after?
Oh.
You read the
Okay.